Good morning! It is so early. My alarm just went off at 7:30, so I'm gonna get up, get ready, and then we're gonna try this again. Good morning, guys! It is Monday! Time for the new week vlog! Starting in Mallorca, and right now I'm ready to go to Palma. I literally have like 10 minutes to grab some breakfast, so I'm not even gonna sit, I think. I'm just gonna grab something and go to the bus, because the bus takes 2 hours to go to Palma. That's why I'm taking the early bus, the 9:10 bus, and then I'm just gonna chill at the beach first. So I'm ready. I already have my bathing suit on. I have my beach stuff with me, a book, you know, the plate, fruit, and some makeup to put on after, because I'm gonna go in the water. And then it's time to explore on the market. So are you coming with me? Amy is not here this week. We said goodbye last night, so she's on her way to the airport as we speak, or she's getting ready to. And I am here ready to go to Palma. So this week is solo me. Come in. Made it on time for the bus, and there are more people waiting here, so phew. If that was gonna be late, at least there were a few people getting in before me, so I could run. But the bus is not here yet. Waiting for the bus. Wow. Come on, bus. Come on. There he is, finally. Always late. Always late. I think it's just the nature of things here. I'm here. Palma. Walking to Plaza España, and I decided to go to the market first. Beach first, because I will pass the market anyway. And it was also a tip from a lady in the bus next to me. Just get some baguette at the market, good tip, and then go to the beach and then chill and eat there. And here's some music in the park, and this is actually a park on top of the station, because down here is the station, the bus station. Free concert. So up to the market we go. You guys remember the square from last year? Yes, and the market is there. And it's already sunny. It's 26 degrees right now, Celsius. And everybody's walking around in shorts and skirts. So it's gonna be a fun day today. Can't wait to see the market. It's a huge market, I heard, and I've seen it online as well, so very curious. Here we are. Thank you, Google Maps. It was very easy to find. Just keep left, that's what the lady said. Keep left and then go right. And then here we are. It's an indoor market. I love indoor markets. Not too hot on the streets. Looks like I found my bakery. Forca Teresa. She has cakes, sweets, and bread. I'm gonna go for a baguette, only 85 cents. And I need to find cheese elsewhere. Ooh, croissant. Oh my god, Sundays are for croissant. So baguette and croissant. Yes, let's do it. Guys, this is much better than cheese. Only 1.95. So avocados it is. You have got to be kidding me. I just bought my baguette 85 cents, and look at this, 45 in the supermarket. This is not cool. Still looking for the cheese. Trying to film the market all the way, but it's so huge. But this is an impression. This is from the left side, and this is the back where I came in. It is really huge. It's a huge building. So I'll see you guys at the beach. Here we are at the beach in Palma. It's called Playa Camperan to me. I thought it was Playa de Palma, but apparently not. But I think just people here call it Playa de Palma. And of course there are salespeople here. If you don't have your beach stuff with you, you can buy things. But I always have my own things, so let's go. My hair is a little itchy though, from the hat on my head. Because it's quite windy up here. Oh, wait, where are the cabanas? I want to see the open sun. So I think I have to walk all the way down there because here it's just an open beach and I don't know what's on there. So I see the huts over there. I'm gonna get myself I actually thought the beach would be bigger than this. It's quite a small beach. It's like a small street. Okay, I found a spot and this is what I bought for the beach yesterday at the market. Blanket with elephants and my food is over here. And I'm just gonna chill here on my bed. Oh my god, my stretch bed. With a book by Cheryl Woods and it's called in Dutch Bij Toverslag Verliefd. And how would I translate that? I don't know. In love or something. But I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna eat my croissant. That's here. I'm gonna put it in the oven because I don't want this sand on my croissant. So, and all these annoying people coming up to you like, do you want this, do you want that? And I actually just told the guy to leave. But he was the guy who was collecting the money, so I thought, oh, I'm sorry. He was standing right in front of me and he was like, good afternoon, very sorry, good afternoon. And I looked at him like, what do you want? Because I wasn't trying to ignore him. And then I said, and he just smiled. Good afternoon. I said, yes, you have to pay. Oh, that's fine. And then I said, I'm sorry, I thought you were someone who was trying to sell me stuff and I'm so over that. So he said, it's fine. But I really felt awful at that point. I was like, no. But this is my spot. Beach up there. You can see over there. Beach here. Me here. Boulevard back there. I wanted a spot in the front, but I thought when I'm gonna vlog, maybe the people behind me don't want to be in the video, so let's just take the back. And then there's no one in the back, so it's just me in the back, and the beds next to me are still empty, and there are beds next to me as well. Maybe later during the day more people will come to the beach, but for now it's quiet. And the croissant is so good, so I'm gonna enjoy my food. I only have water, so just croissant, water, baguette. It's a French lunch because it's not breakfast anymore. It's a French lunch because I brought you some French cheese. I bought some French cheese because if you have croissant, baguette, what cheese can you get? French cheese. Because let's be honest, the Spanish are not known for the cheese, okay? So, Emmental Francais. That's what I'm gonna eat with my baguette. So, I'll just chill and I'll check you guys later. Peace out. So, this is going to be my actual lunch. Baguette with avocado and French cheese. And a Spanish beef. Beautiful. YOLO. So guys, check it out. My battery died. And after a while, my power bank died as well. And I thought I charged them both at 100%, but apparently I didn't. Well, maybe for my phone I did, but I was on the internet all day long because Palma has free Wi-Fi. So I was on Instagram and my Google Maps was running in the back. So maybe that's why my battery died sooner than it usually does. But I thought, okay, I have my power bank, but after a while, it shut down. So I was a little upset because I couldn't even take pictures for myself. But I thought maybe it's the universe's way trying to tell me that I just need to live in the moment. So that's what I did. So I was laying there for hours. I never do that, but it was so nice, you know, with the sea breeze. And I literally dozed off for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I woke up by some watermelon guy who was screaming, "Watermelon!" But it was nice. And yeah. So guys, I'm here in my hotel room and it's a little distracting because I hear people banging on the wall and walking on the hallway. So annoying, so I needed to stop the video for a second. But I was talking about me laying on the beach for hours and falling asleep, which I never do because I'm always so scared that I'm gonna get robbed. I don't know if you guys have the same thing, but when I'm alone at the beach, I never sleep. But today I thought, you know, I'm tired, I'm just gonna lay here and I put my bag around my neck, lay it on my side, and I just dozed off. And when I woke up, my wallet was still there. So, but I don't think I'm gonna do that again. But it was nice. And after that, I went for a walk on the boulevard from the beginning to the end. And that was my exercise for the day. I'm very proud of myself. Too bad I couldn't film it for you guys. And after that, I wanted to go to the stores, but I lost track of time because the beach was so nice. So everything was already closed or almost closed. So I just went to a cute little souvenir shop and got myself 2 souvenirs. And I have a story to tell you about one of the souvenirs, which I'm a little upset about because it was a little glass bottle with blue sand. Actually, there were 2 glass bottles, one with light blue and one with dark blue sand. And the one with light blue sand caught my eye first. So I thought, this is cute, you know, like a little souvenir of this day at the beach and, you know, of my whole trip here in Mallorca. But then I thought the dark blue is better because it reminds me of the ocean and it's my favorite color, you know, the dark blue. So I chose that one. And since I lost track of time, I also missed my bus back to Puerto Colom where I stay. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna have to catch the bus to Vilanich, where I was yesterday, because there was the last stop, and then I had to get a taxi. And that's exactly what I've done. So when I got to Vilanich, I took a taxi, and when the taxi came out, I heard something. I didn't even hear something. Something fell, and I like stepped on it. So I heard myself stepping on something. And I looked down, and it was my little glass bottle, guys. Oh my god, I was so upset because here I am. I have to take a taxi, which in the first place I couldn't even found. I asked the guy and he told me to go by some random bus stop. And I thought, okay, you know, F you, I'm not gonna deal with this. I just asked another guy. I went to the bus stop, but there was nothing there. So I asked another guy and he called a taxi for me. So sweet. So when the taxi came out, I was so excited to go back to my hotel that I stepped on my, oh my god, I'm so upset. I stepped on my bottle. I didn't even hear it falling out. Apparently, I kept the bag upside down. I held it upside down. And now it's broken. And I don't even have a picture of it, you know. If my battery didn't die, I wouldn't have taken a picture before I got it. But yeah, that's the story. And I can't even tell you the story without stuttering because I'm upset and I'm hungry, but that's what happened today. But other than that, it was a nice day in Palma. And of course, I had to go check out my favorite church here in Palma. You haven't been to Palma if you didn't see the church, but I see that my phone is getting full, so I'm gonna remove all the old videos, put them on my laptop, and then I can vlog for you guys again. So for now, I'm just gonna eat some baguette that I bought and watch a movie, the one I wanted to watch yesterday, but I fell asleep. And that's that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. I just got out of the shower, and today I'm just gonna visit the market here in the neighborhood and chill at the hotel, have a little spa day. But first, time for breakfast. Made sure the breakfast table. Check it out. Carrot steak on top of my head. So but I am not watching, guys. I'm staying in the right spot because the view is too amazing. This is my breakfast: egg, white beans, bread, coffee, a little snack, fruit, a brownie, and some OJ. I'm going all out today, even if it's windy. Breakfast with a view. Once again. So I told you guys I was going to the market, but apparently I missed it. I'm still over there inside the harbor and enjoying the view. I missed it because I was on the harbor and I was taking my time, so I still have to be close. One hour later, there you go. They're cleaning up a tent here. And I think on that side as well. But there's nothing much to see here. This is what I've missed. Oh, so close, I still missed it. Yeah, priorities. Moving along, nothing to see here. So I totally missed this street when I was walking alongside the harbor because it was right here. Because braid your hair is also a thing here. One more tent. Oops. But next time to go to the hotel and chill. Ooh, chill with the car. could I miss this? Like, seriously, how could I miss this? Because I was walking right there. I was still captured by the water. Wow, I totally missed this one. Oh, Amy's texting me. Just while I'm looking at the hotel she was staying at. How random. She's asking me how warm was it and if I enjoyed the beach. Well, Amy, I enjoyed the beach a little too much because I missed my bus. But I'll enter in a sec. Just need to climb up this hill. Oh my gosh. Remember the hill over there when you go around the corner? The annoying hill. But this one is another one. Because it goes in a triangle like this. So you have this street. And then you have the hill over there. To that corner and this hill. But this time I'm taking this one. Whew. My God, let's do this. To my hotel. Made it up. So now it's time to get back to the hotel. But first I'm gonna get some Coca-Cola Light at the Spar supermarket and then have lunch by the pool or no, just in my room and watch a movie because last night I didn't even press play because I slept before I could do that. I was so tired from all day long in Palma and then the whole ordeal with getting a taxi, stepping on my bottle, which by then I knew it meant something. But I will tell you about it later because right now I just want to enjoy this day. So be back with you later. So on my way to the hotel I couldn't help myself. I saw a little side street leading to this. You know the water that I jumped into with Amy? And there is the place where we can just hang out and chill. See from the side. How cute. And this is the little street that leads up to here. And the main road there is my hotel. Right here. Cute, huh? I love it. I'm gonna take a few pictures, of course. So I'm in my hotel room and lunch is ready and I went all out today with my avocado, cheese and the rest of my veggie sausage and of course my Coca-Cola Light. And over there my tablet, movie time, and I'm just gonna enjoy it with my Coca-Cola and my baguette. So I'll check you guys later. 5 o'clock. Sun is still shining and I just removed my makeup because I'm going into the sauna. Nobody goes into the sauna with makeup on. So it's sauna, Turkish bath, jump into the pool and then come back to finish the movie. Because I had a little nap, I really needed that, so we're going to the sauna now. So I will check you guys later. Oh my god, the nap was so good, it was so good. Whew guys, it was so nice in the sauna. I did 3 sits. Unfortunately the Turkish bed was not on, so I was still in the sauna. Came out, went back in, shower, came out, showered again. Now I moved to the side where the sun is shining. So, you know what that means, right? Take a few snaps here before I go to the pool. The pool closes at 7, it's now 6 o'clock, so I have to hurry up. This is my view. Finally by the pool. I don't think I'm going in today. Well, maybe, maybe not. It's just too good to lay down here in my favorite dress under my umbrella. Yeah. So we will see about it. But for now, I'll be chilling. So guys, I did went into the pool and check out the sun is still shining. It was nice to be in the pool, just swim a few rounds, and yeah, there's almost nobody here, only two other ladies. And I thought the pool was until 7. Well, it's written down here that it's until 6, but it's now past 7:30 and you could still swim. So I guess the hours are not that serious. So maybe I'll just jump into it later again, or no, I'm not. I'm gonna jump into it tomorrow morning before I leave, because this is my last night, you guys. So when I leave here, I'm gonna get dressed and get some Chinese food, some fried rice that I've seen here in the neighborhood, and then just chillax on my balcony and watch the rest of my movies. So, catch you guys later. Just gonna enjoy the sun for a few minutes. And look where I found myself before I go to the Chinese restaurant. On the deck of the restaurant. Well, not really the restaurant, but the restaurant side, where I have breakfast every morning. You know the view from the top I was showing you? Now I'm right here, laying down chilling, because the sun is still shining over there. The sun usually sets around 9, 10, 9, 13, 14, 15, it depends. But yeah, we still have sunshine. And so that's why I'm enjoying it, because it's the last day. So let's make the most of it in this video, guys. Seriously, wouldn't you want to be here? Just, even if it's for 1 minute, just lay down here. Yes, that's what I thought, so I had to come here. I'm afraid of the dark, especially when I'm in the park and there's no one else around. Oh, I get the shivers, I don't wanna see a ghost. That's the side that I fear most. Rather have a piece of toast, watch the evening news. Life, oh life, oh life, oh life, do 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 life, oh life, oh life, oh life, do 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 life, do 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 do. Almost 10 o'clock and finally on my way to the Chinese restaurant, which is in the street. And I'm so glad these shops are still open, because I can get a little souvenir for my friend Queenie. So, but first my food. Here we are, the Chinese restaurant. And I don't know where the name is, but we will see. So while my fried rice is being prepared, I'm going to a souvenir shop to get me a bag. I just saw a cute bag when I was on my way to the restaurant. I crossed the street quickly just to check out what they have. And since the restaurant guests have ordered their food first, I have to wait 15 minutes. So I'm going to show you the bags that caught my eye before. These. How cute are these? All these boho bags. I'm gonna get me one. Okay, I got caught up in the store, guys, so now I'm heading to get my fried rice. Isn't it crazy? And I'm so happy with the bag that I bought. I also bought a present for my friend, the one you've seen on Valentine's Day, and for my cousin who's turning 17 next Sunday. So I bought 3 things, and maybe tomorrow I will go back, maybe get my mom a little something. I hope my fried rice is done. You're here. So you're welcome. So guys, I have my fried rice. I had to wait, so she said thank you for waiting. And the restaurant is called Yang Guang. She just gave me a menu because I was taking a picture of the menu. So how sweet. So guys, that's it for this trip, the last evening. And I'm a little sad to leave, but I will be back. I'll definitely be back. I think maybe even next month. So I thought maybe I'll be back next year, but Mallorca is so nice and there are so many things that I still want to buy. The souvenir shop has so many nice souvenirs. I just want to buy souvenirs for everyone I know. At least everyone I like. Sorry, so I'll definitely be back. So could be next month, could be in 2 months. But yeah, fried rice on my way to my hotel. Have my rice, watch a movie and then back. So I'll see you guys there. Fried rice with eggs and vegetables and some sambal. So that's my dinner, very late dinner. And I'm gonna enjoy my dinner and then watch the rest of my movie. Again, where's my tablet? Oh, in my laptop bag. No, it's not. There it is. So now it's time to eat and then start packing, take a shower and then go to bed. My pickup time is tomorrow at 10:40, so I still have time to go to breakfast. Maybe if I do have the time, go to the souvenir shop because my mom wants a bag like mine with different prints, so hopefully I still have time. But otherwise, too bad. We will get her a bag in Amsterdam or another city in the Netherlands. But for now, time to eat. I'm so sad to leave tomorrow. But you know what they say, there's a beginning and an end to everything. C'est la vie. So, enjoy my dinner and then I'll see you guys tomorrow on my last morning. Good morning guys, it is my last morning and I'm starting it with a little gym session. After that it's time to take a shower and join the people at the breakfast table before I have to come back and pack the rest of my stuff and then say goodbye because 10:40 it's time to leave. But for now, let's hit the gym. See you later. Let's go. I forgot my earplugs. Where are the earplugs? Why do I always forget them? Found them, but then I forgot my water, so I had to go back. But I was already on the treadmill, so hopefully it's not taken. But we will see about that. I don't think it is. It is not. Last training day with this view. Oh, I should have brought my sunnies. I'm not going to the program. I'm just going to do my routine. Check you later. 15, 16, 1.19, 28.5. So tired. Not the only one working out. 2 guys just left. And now there's a lady sitting there doing her morning workouts. And now I'm beat. So it's time to do some arm lifting. Just clean it up. So let's knock this baby out of the park. So after treadmill and 3 machines for my arms, it's time to finish it off with a cross trainer. But this one doesn't work on power, so I have to put my best into it. So let's do this. Okay, I'm done. I have a treadmill, my upper back, hombros, and This one is new. And I finished with cross trainer. So that's it for today. Now I need to hurry up and go shower and then get some breakfast and pack the rest of my stuff and wait for my bus. So see you guys in a little bit downstairs for breakfast. But first, enjoy this view for one more minute before I leave. Before I leave, I have to enjoy this view. Yes, jack your voice. One last time of the pool. Oh, and the sea. Oh, I love this so much. I'm gonna miss it so much. But I'll be back before you know it. Bye bye Mallorca. Bye bye Ocean View. It was a pleasure to have my last spring holiday here because tomorrow is the official start of summer. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. So, adios. The cleaners are already here. So guys, it was literally a race against time, but I'm ready to go. Suitcase, laptop and other stuff. My fruits and my food that I bought here. And I just wanted to show you guys, I just wanted to show you guys what happened to the souvenir that I got. Look, stepped on it. And there's a little bit of blue sand here still, so I might just take it with me, but I'm gonna throw away the glass pieces and just keep the blue sand and this cutie thing. And yeah, it was a little bottle with a cork. So, and Mallorca on it. You can see the M. You can see the MA. But I'm just gonna throw everything away and just keep this as a souvenir. So, too bad. But that's it. Bye bye room. Bye bye balcony. I don't think I'm gonna come back up because I don't have enough time. So I'm just gonna grab my bags, leave it in the reception, go for breakfast, and then grab my bags again at the reception. So that's it. C'est tout. That's all. Gracias a todos. Danke. Auf Wiedersehen, Mallorca. Oh my god, my head is like I want to go home too. So I have to pack these things and then I'll meet you guys downstairs for the last breakfast and then tie this thing up because it's not cute. Check you later. So leaving the room now. Oh, I didn't even take a picture. This is gonna be a quickie, very quick one. Having breakfast inside today. My bags are all packed here. And hopefully the bus doesn't leave my ass because I still have to check out, but I'm gonna try to eat this as fast as I can. So check you later. The fastest I ever had to eat. So up to the reception. Quick. Oh, only that is okay. My bus is here. 10:40. I am right on time. Oh my god. Thank you, Lord. Bye bye hotel. It was so nice. See you next time, maybe next month, who knows, but I'm gonna get in before the driver leaves. Thank you. Me voy a mi casa. Gracias, Mallorca. So nice. I'm just gonna try to film a little bit of the trip, the bus trip, and then I'll meet you back at the airport. Airporto de Mallorca. No, Airporto de Palma. I'm gonna try to take a picture this time of the airport. So glad I made it. God is good. Okay. We're here at the airport and it's time to have the rest of my food. I just took exactly what I could eat at the amount of time that I had, and these two I took deliberately because I knew I was gonna take them with me on the bus and eat them here. So I'm gonna eat my croissant and my ciabatta with some cheese, have some water, maybe grab a coffee over there, but I don't really need a coffee now. I think I'm just gonna have water and then take a picture outside and then head to my gate. So that's the plan for now. The famous sign that I wanted to take a picture of. It's so big that I need to stand here in this corner, otherwise I couldn't get all the letters on the picture. But El Puerto de Palma de Mallorca. So, and now it's time to go inside after I enjoyed a few rays of sunshine here at the airport. Oh my god, I don't want to leave. But on the other hand, I'm excited to go home because the summer starts tomorrow and I wanted to celebrate the summer at my house in the Netherlands and check out the sunset. The sunrise until the sunset. So that's why I booked the trip until the 20th. I think these people over there don't want to leave either. Just sitting and catching some sunshine. But yeah, I love sunshine. We have sunshine in the Netherlands as well. So guys, see you inside. Because if I have time, I still will do some shopping. You guys remember that I told you guys I was dancing for the first time here? Check it out. I wanted to show you guys the Dyson that I saw here for the first time. And I didn't also show you instead. So that's it. Here in Mallorca when I saw it for the first time. Very nice. But now I'm about to go to the security behind me. I'm not about to film there, of course, so I am not going to do that. So I'll see you guys at the gates. And the thing about solo travel, when your family is away, there's no one to pick you up. Now, I do have other family, but I don't like to bother people, so I'm just gonna take the train again and then get to my car. And my mom is texting me. She's at the beach with my sister in Barcelona. And yeah, they're enjoying the show, so with some sunshine over there. But for me, it's time to go home. I hate this habit. It's like this. So still. Okay. Let's get home. So I'm gonna grab my train and I'll see you guys later. Hi, I'm back in my car. I miss my baby so much. So now it's time to take this baby home. And I arrived at the airport and people were already running, stressful, and I'm like, please take me back to Mallorca. I don't want to be here in the stress, but these next couple of days I'm going to be at home working on the vlogs, on my blogs and stuff, so I won't be seeing these stressful people except for tomorrow, because tomorrow is the start of summer, so I will be outside and probably meet my friend Queenie. So I have to call her that I'm back because I have a little present for her, which I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna let her show you. So now Time to drive off. Come on, baby. Come on, Blue Blue. Take me home. But first, I have to make a stop at the gas station. So I'll see you guys when I get back into mi casa. Me voy a mi casa. Okay guys, 10 to 8 and I am home. So happy to be home. It's like I never left. So what I always do when I get home from a vacation, no matter where I came from, Spain, Suriname, LA, doesn't matter, I do laundry right away. So I have my suitcase here with my dirty clothes, including this dress. So get to the bathroom and start doing laundry. So I still have to think what I'm gonna eat today. I was actually thinking about getting some fries, but then I saw the people there in the snack bar and I thought I'm not gonna wait in line. So I drove home and thought maybe I'll make my own homemade fries, because I know I said 2 weeks ago I was gonna start eating healthier. Well, I'm eating healthy, but I mean, like, gonna start like on a strict diet. But you know, with the vacay and the hotel food, I did not. So today would be my really last hooray. So it's gonna be either the fries or pizza, but knowing me, pizza. So I'm gonna do the laundry, turn on the oven, and then have some pizza. Luckily, Mom bought some pizza at the supermarket before she left, so I'm gonna have some pizza and watch some Netflix. I'm not gonna do a vlog today because today is the last day of spring. I just want to enjoy it and watch the last 2 episodes of Jane the Virgin, because that was the series that I was watching. So I have 2 more episodes to go. So I'm gonna do that. Laundry, pizza, Netflix. Netflix and chill, just like Jane said. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my adventures in Mallorca, back at home in Almere. Let me show you Almere for a second. Today is the last spring day, so check out the last spring day. And my neighbor and his friends are making a little noise here downstairs. So yeah, last spring sun, because tomorrow is the start of summer. So guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow, because I'm not gonna close this vlog yet. I'm just gonna finish the week, of course. See you guys tomorrow. Ciao.